BJP Meghalaya today celebrated the 44th Foundation Day of the party in BJP State Party Office and in all mandals of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo Hills. BJP State President Ernest Mauri hoisted the BJP party flag in the State Party Office in the presence of state office bearers, state executive members, Morcha heads, district presidents, mandal presidents and all Karyakartas of the party. Floral tribute was offered to the founder member of the party, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee and Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, which was followed by the live video presentation of the speech of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP National President J.P. Nadda. To commemorate this occasion, BJP has launched Seva Saptah across the country, a week-long program which will conclude on the 14th of April, the birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. The Hinnutre Border Dispute Redressal Forum today submitted a memorandum